friends, in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for doing outstanding watercolor paintings. So when you get your project, you're going to go to the store, and on your tray I would like you to have a set of watercolor paints, a cup half filled with water, and for this particular project I'm going to have a tiny brush and a thick brush. It depends on the project, but sometimes that can help based on what you are painting. So when I would like you to leave your watercolors and your cup of water on your tray, that way it makes cleanup super duper easy. And now we can start painting. So the first thing we want to do when we use watercolor paints is we have to wake them up. So I am going to gently wake up with my watercolors. So I'm going to take my brush and let's see, I think I want to use orange, and I'm going to go, wake up baby, nice and gentle. Okay, we don't want to go really hard, and because then you can put a little hole in the middle. So nice and gentle. Then you can start painting. Now let's say I wanted to switch to yellow. Does anyone know what I would do? Absolutely right. You would wash your brush in the cup of water. And when you do this, I'm going to just put this on camera, you want to hold the cup a little bit and sort of scrub the bottom with it, and then wipe the edge like this. Don't do this because that can get water all over your friend's painting or your painting in places that you might not want it. So now that my brush is clean, I'm going to go to my next color. Wake up, yellow, nice and gentle, and then I can start painting. Now if I do two colors next to each other, it kind of blends them together, which is really beautiful. Or I can keep them a little bit further away from each other and I can get that pure color. So that's up to you if you want to try that. Now when I go to do my tiny details, I'm going to use a small brush. So I'm going to wake up my red. Now it's important with a small brush that you're even more gentle with the brush. You don't want to scoot it down like this where we're seeing it on the metal part. You want to have it up on its tippy toes like a ballet dancer. So you're going to very carefully, I like to start on the outer edges of a shape when I'm painting if I want to stay in the lines, and then I work my way in, but it's up on its tippy toes and it's nice and gentle. So in this picture I am going to paint the entire lantern with all different colors. When I'm all done, this will go on the drying rack, and then I will go back to the store, put all of my things away, and I'm going to make sure that I dump my cup out in the sink and that my brushes go in the dirty brush cup.